Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to add comment into your Google Docs file. So I'm gonna open my Google Docs first. So comment here is like when you maybe your colleague send you a file related to work and you want to add a comment, this feature will be helpful and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, open your file on Google Docs and then click on edit here. Okay, what is it? On edit and then click on the plus icon at the top and choose comment. Okay, here you can allow first, and then here you can add a comment about the file that you want to deliver to your colleagues, your employee, or etc. For example, this needs correction, for example, or you can add another comment, and also you can add more than one comment into a file. Okay, so that's it. That is how you can add comment into the Google Docs file. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.